Hi, welcome to another new video, and today's our topic is how to accept payments on Wix site. As you can see, we are right now landed on editor panel, and in here we need to be add a payment option to accept our payment. First of all, you can see we have various options in the left corner. In here we need to be click on add element option. Actually, when we click on here, they will provide me some more option here. There is, you can see we have already come up with some option, so we don't need to work on here. We just need to be click on the search panel. Once you click on the search panel, the PayPal, you need to be type in here PayPal. Once you type in PayPal, they will give you some suggestion here. In here you need to be click on the second option, PayPal button. Just click on the open. Once you click on the open, it will come up like this way. In here they will give you the option to add these apps in your site, and it is free plan for available everyone. Just click on add to site, and it will open a new pop-up where you will can see they have the confirmation to adding these apps in your website. Just click agree and add. Once you click agree and add, it will be associated or integrate with your website. As you can see, our button has been come to our pages. Now we need to be attach it anywhere we want, so I will be attach this element in the next to the about. So we are scrolling down and we will find out the desired place to add this buy now button. Once we place the buy now button, we can do anything. Like we have the setting option where we can edit each and every parts of this button. So you need to be add your PayPal email here to add or accept your payments from your customers. So here you can paste your email. Once you paste the email, they will give you the verification link. Throughout the verification link, you can associate your PayPal with this. So next you can see we have Stripe option, and also we have offline payment option. So you can select anything you want here. Then we have the setting option. In here you can see we have lots of option. So if you want to change the button type, you can click here, and here you will find out further more options like donate and subscribe. But right now I want only buy now, so I don't will change the thing. Then we have payment notification. Once a client will click the buy now button or complete the payment, I will get the notification by this email. Second, we have another option, that is autoresponder email. So this is a important or necessary stuff. Like whenever any customer purchase a thing from my website, they will get a return email, like it's called autoresponder. You can see we already have default template. I will use those, and you can see the template is look like this way, so it is okay. And here you can see some element, you can change it, edit it or remove it. You have the access. Just click on the save. Our work has been done. And also we have further more option, product and design. We can change the design here. So we have full access here to do anything we want. We have other option here they are suggesting us, so we don't need anything right now. Just click the cross in the top corner, just click and just publish here. Once you click on the publish, you just set up your add button option in your website. So just click on view site, and you are able to see that your add button is really working or not. So you can see our buy now button has been added to our pages. So right now we can use it. It is really simplest way and easy process. Just follow the guideline I give you throughout the video. I hope you find out this video is helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. And also you can do a comment in the comment below. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.